So this is an example of an equation where we need to use some of the rules we know for log in order to solve for x. So we're given log base 2 of x minus 1 plus 1 equals log base 2 of x plus 3. We're trying to solve for x. So the first thing we're going to do is combine like terms, essentially. So the way we can do this, we want to get all the x's to one side, is to subtract that log base 2 of x minus 1. Then we're just going to be left with a number on the other side. So this is rewritten as 1 equals log base 2 of x plus 3 minus, because we're subtracting that other log to the other side, log base 2 of x minus 1. Now we know when we have two logs with the same base, log base 2, and we have subtraction in between those two terms, that's the same as division with one term. So we can rewrite this as 1 equals log base 2 of the whole thing of x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. Okay, so now we're here. What can we do now? Well, we have a log base 2. What I think the next best step to do would be to exponentiate. We're allowed to exponentiate one side as long as we do it to the other side. So in order to get rid of that log, we could raise that entire thing from a base of 2. So we have some b raised to a log b of x. That's just going to equal our x. This is the rule that we're applying here. So we're going to take 2, because we have a base 2, and we're going to raise it to log base 2 of this whole thing, x plus 3 over x minus 1. But we have to do it to the other side too. So we have 2 raised to the 1. That was what was on the other side. So now this 2 raised to the log base 2 cancels out. We're left with 2 to the 1 equals x plus 3 over x minus 1. How do we solve this? Just the same way we learned in algebra. 2 to the 1 is just 2. So we have 2. We're going to multiply that x minus 1 to the other side, since we were dividing it before. So we have 2 times quantity x minus 1 equals x plus 3. We can distribute that 2x minus 2 equals x plus 3. Now we're just going to combine like terms in order to solve. Can subtract that x from both sides. Add the 2 to both sides. You're going to end up with x equals 5.